What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 93 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So as you guys can see, the portfolio is at $30,090.02. We are actually in the green by 85.29%, which comes out to be a positive $14.50. You'll see our cash balance is at $30,092.52. This has actually gone down from last week, and I'll show you the reasons why. But we do have quite a bit of options buying power for next week. That is at $27,092.52. This will actually be around $30,000, especially because the contract that we do see below, as you'll see, I'll go ahead and show you. We do have one legged and plat cash secured put with a strike price of $30 that actually expired yesterday on the 21st of 2022. We collected 17 cents or $17, and that one actually expired worthless because legged and plat traded, or I guess closed on the day by above $30. I think it was $31. So that it did expire worthless. That options buying power will go into the pool, and we will be able to use it next week. So definitely going to be really exciting. But I did lose some money on some cash secured puts on Tesla. But I'm going to show you guys here the history. It was actually a very short video here, but we did actually end up buying back. So we started off by buying back one of the Tesla cash secured puts that we did have, and then you'll see that we did buys and sells. We kept going in and out, and we kept collecting premium, but eventually we didn't actually ended up buying back enough premium, or I guess selling enough premium, because we did have to roll a Tesla cash secured put from last week, and ended up just closing at a lower cost basis. But I'll show you guys in the Google Sheets, which we can jump over now. But if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing with that bell notification. Definitely help me out. We're trying to get to 9,000 subscribers as well. Drop a big thumbs up on the video. But let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so I can show you guys exactly all the trades and how much we made in dividends. Well, I guess not dividends, but in options. So I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, so we're at the Google Sheets. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how much we made, or I guess lost, this week. So the date was on the 17th, that's when it started, and the end date was the 21st. As you'll see, guys, we did lose $234.57, and that is on credits. We did collect $1,820.68, but in debits we did end up actually buying back $2,055.25. so that is the difference. There was actually nothing in gains, nothing invested. But if I show you guys here the graphs, you'll see that for October of 2022, we're still at $329.43. So we're definitely a little bit above August, but we were in the 500s. So, that is what happened. But we're gonna see if on the monthly performance we're still hitting our goal of 1% per month. So I'm definitely excited about that. And I believe before we lost the 200, we were at 2%, so it's not a big deal. It does suck, but we're gonna have next week with a lot of options buying power, especially with the volatility that we will get from all the major companies reporting earnings. But overall for October, you'll see 1.17%, which is still very, very good, and hopefully we can continue to keep this consistency over the coming months. On the weekly performance, you'll see that week 124 on the 21st, we lost $234.57, which brings our total to $30,092.11 compared to the previous week. And then if we look over here, total premium we've collected so far, $1,931.14, which still comes out to be a return of 6.86%. And then if we look at the credits, guys, you'll see here where I'll show you the first one, which was the legged and plat cash secured put that I showed you guys on the Webull app, which was a strike price of $30, and we collected 17 cents or $17. We held it for about 29 days. This one actually ended up expiring worthless on the 21st, so yesterday. Here's the actual trades from Tesla, guys. So we did have a Tesla cash secured put for 210 that we collected $1,100, and then on the 17th we actually bought it back. So we held it for about just over the weekend. We bought it back at a profit, but I think I ended up buying it back way too early. If I had held out a little bit, I would have been able to collect probably most of my $200 that I lost. But on the 17th we ended up placing a weekly Tesla cash secured put with a strike price of 210. We collected about $820, and we actually ended up buying back that exact same day, so we held it for 0 days. The next one here on the 19th, we actually ended up doing a weekly again for Tesla cash secured put 212. Strike price with $550 that we collected. We ended up actually holding this one for about 2 days. We closed it on the 21st of 2022, so I believe that was Friday. We bought it back at a profit, and then on the 21st again we also ended up placing a actually weekly Tesla that expired on the 28th of October, and it was a Tesla cash secured put with a strike price of $200. We collected about $345, and we actually bought it back that exact same day at a profit. And then the last one that we did end up doing was on that same exact day. We ended up doing a 0 DTE cash secured put on Tesla for 210. We collected about $106, and we bought that one back. This one would have actually expired worthless towards the end. This was worth about 14 cents or 14 or 15 cents to buy it back. I could have just let it expire, but I was afraid that in the after hours Tesla could have dropped, because it did make a huge upwards move towards the end. But if I show you guys here the debits, it would have just been safer to play it and buy it back. So that's why I ended up doing it. That way next week we have some great opportunities to enter some great cash secured puts to make some great premium to end October strong. So you'll see that on October 17th, Tesla bought it back for about $785. So I believe the other one was like 1,100, so you subtract the difference, is kind of what we made. And then also on the 17th we bought another one for Tesla, 700, and then on the 21st Tesla we bought it back for 251, and then on the other one on the 21st Tesla we bought it back 305, and then that last one, guys, I showed you, we bought it back for about $14. Just could have expired worthless if I had just let it not bought it back. But the risk is that Tesla's very volatile, and it could have just moved downwards very quick. So I was just going to take all my profits off the table there, even though at the end it was negative $200. But we still have next week, and we have all our buying power, so definitely excited for that. If we look at gains here, guys, there's actually nothing in gains, and there was actually nothing in current buys. But yeah, guys, this is actually all I have for you guys in the portfolio update. We did do quite a couple Tesla cash secured puts. At the end of the day, we did lose some money, but next week we do have a great opportunity to make some more premium, and I'm definitely excited for that. Let me know in the comment section how much you guys made this week in collecting premium. Did you guys make a lot? Did you guys lose some, or you guys didn't really make any? But don't forget to subscribe with that notification. We're trying to get to 9,000 subscribers if you haven't done so, and drop a big thumbs up on the video. Definitely appreciate all the support. I will talk to you guys later. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye, guys.